Where is my damn son? He must gotten robbed again. Damn bastard. Juan, what the hell? You are going to get an ass whooping.
Does it look like I care? I robbed another bank.
Your son did not only rob another bank, he had sex in front of a baseball stadium.
Juan. You son of a bitch.
Dad. She is a good lady. In fact, she is outside of this scrap hole.
You are lucky this bastard isn't getting arrested. Now get the hell out of here. I have useful work to do.
Where is the lady you for?
She's in the courthouse. She's extremely sexy.
Oh Juan. I was worried sick about you. Are you okay, babe?
I am fine, my love. Do you want to do it again?
Oh honey. I'd love to.
Oh no. Get the fuck out of here.
Who is this?
That's my father. Ignore him. Now strip.
I will not let you.
I'll leave. We'll do it at a more private time.
No, babe. Wait.
Say will not wait.
Goodbye, Juan.
You see what you do?
Quiet. No get in the house, Juan.